I'm Nathan Sparks here with District Attorney Charme. Welcome.
Thanks for having me.
I thought we'd spend a minute today talking about driving issues in our community from an employer standpoint, from an operator standpoint. We have an increasing number of young people driving these days.
Yes.
And a lot of people are not aware of the laws and some of the potential laws that might be coming. So we know we have to have a driver's license to drive, but many people operate vehicles without driver's licenses. What happens if you get caught operating a vehicle without a driver's license?
Well, there are a lot of reasons you could be operating without a license. You could be operating without a license because you've never gotten one. You could be operating without a license because your license is revoked, or you could be operating with a license because your license is suspended. So I'm sure not a lot of folks are cognizant of the fact that there are many different levels of driving without a license.
Oh.
So
and each one has a different level of punishment.
Yes.
I see.
So it depends on which of those levels that you were under.
And then there's the issue of insurance. Now, insurance is required in the state to operate a vehicle?
Yes.
So if you don't have insurance, people say, well, I can't afford it. But if you know that you have to have it and you're operating a vehicle without it, then you're willfully violating the law. And
sure.
Ignorance, as I understand it, is no excuse.
You understand it correctly. That is true. And oftentimes we'll get all those charges together. And you know, we have a lot of folks that are driving, and the reason that they're driving without a license is because they have lost their license to a DUI.
Right.
Now those are different. If you're on probation for a serious driving charge and you pick up a charge such as driving on revoked or driving on suspended because you're driving without a license due to that DUI, then that's a totally different ballgame.
But it's a complicated set of laws that revolve around insurance, driving, your responsibility as the operator of the vehicle to make sure everything is in order.
Yes, it is a responsibility to be able to drive. And unfortunately, a lot of folks don't adhere to all those responsibilities.
Well, let's just encourage them to do so.
Yes. Law-abiding citizens are much better in our community from the prosecutor's standpoint.
Well, hopefully our new sheriff and our new police chief both will work together to get that down.
A lot of change is going on.
Well, Bigfoot will just have to leave town, I guess, when Burchett goes to Washington. You have a good day, Sean.
Thank you.
Thank you.